My name is Karthik, I am from Tirupati. So I have recently joined the last month 28th year in the Spiders for the Madhu sir's class, the Java training. So initially the first company I faced was Phoenix, and we had most often the exam was of a basic format. They asked just more on what are the basic OOPS concept and queries, and SQL has been taught by Rohan sir, and even the questions relating that have been asked in an interview, what have been they thought most of that, and even the basic verbal things have been asked regarding the English. So it's not a much of a difficult one, but with you have basic idea and have a little bit of practice, you can clear the first round. So initially the next round was the group discussion. The David topic called as e-learning, and they tried to ask me about approach. So generally I express everything in terms of statistics. Generally, everyone try to tell their point of view in a group discussion. So it could be more effective when you try to tell anything in terms of statistics or number. It could be more precise because just they talked about e-learning. So generally everyone said that e-learning is as pros and cons. What I try to mention is in a statistical manner, saying that 50% of lesser homes don't have smartphones to use the mobile. So the term statistics makes us that he has a more idea, just not a basic idea, but still have a good knowledge about the surroundings. So most of them, they try to see what content we are telling, but also how we are telling it. So the next was the technical round, which is basically they most often concentrate asking me about few patterns they have asked me to write down, and the Fibonacci series basic program that we all know. The basic program they're going to ask us, and they're going to not only ask that, they are going to ask if we implement in a different manner. Like just say, if you write in a normal implementation, they get asked you to kind of scanners. So even a basic program, we will try to make small changes, and we should be adaptable to change those small changes. Just not running the same program and implementing it. We should be able to small changes. So in that manner, a few patterns and top man series out, and then finally the next one was HR round. So where they asked me to just ask me about how can I gonna sustain an environment where there will be sometimes in a requirement may be difficult. Sometimes we need be an urgent requirement. So they asked me whether you will be adaptable or not. So I tried to be adaptable, and finally package was 3.5 per annum. So even that's what I will try to tell. Try to clear everyone confidently and have a good practice of all the basic concepts will be good enough. And we need to practice it daily as long as we